And welcome to this episode of Sunday Driver. Today, Liam and I are hunting for spots for us to go do photo shoots. With us doing as many as we do, it can get a little bit repetitive going to the same spots. So right now we're up in the neighborhoods above downtown, hoping that there's an area that we can kind of look down over it and have a nice view behind it. So we're on the hunt. I think we're getting close. What do you think?
I think we're just about there.
You can kind of see it poking out between these houses here, so hopefully hopefully there's a clean spot. This may or may not be what we're looking for. It does look pretty nice. What do you think?
Very nice.
Yeah, so also I was hoping that we could find a spot. Like I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted by my camera running out of battery. I was looking for a spot that we could find where we could have the car in the shot and then have like the planes flying really low over it. So we're getting as close to the airport as we can. So hopefully we'll get one to fly over in a second so we can get an example of it. We're getting closer. We have a pretty wide open spot where you can see both the airport and the freeway underneath it, but it looks a little sketchy with the fence in it, so maybe we'll move on, see if we can find something a little bit clearer. Moving on. We're now pulling up to Balboa Park. I'm hoping that there's some spots that we can find that we might be able to shoot like at nighttime. Should be a terrific. Not even social distancing. Hoping to find spots that we could shoot at night when there's less people here, because obviously it's pretty crowded right now.
Right here, really kind of sick.
Right under that tree. There's a lot of different options here. Posted up on the bridge or right under here would be pretty sick, especially if we could come and get some lights on it and try out some different colors. Yeah.
Right in here. Well, I don't know if this is open tonight though.
It's closed at night. Yeah, out here under these bridges would be pretty sweet. A lot of these spots in here would be pretty tricky just because of the amount of people that are in here and lack of parking in front of the interesting spaces. So we're kind of toying with the idea of setting up different light painting spots and finding places that we could do, basically be parked for an extended amount of time and not have any trouble. This spot right here would be pretty sweet, especially lit up late at night, but yeah, definitely not really much of a possibility during the daytime with how many people are coming and going through here. So this spot that we just found is pretty rad. It has a good combination of, well, it's like surrounded by trees, but also it has downtown behind it. So you have a little bit of diversity as far as your background. So you can see back down there behind me is the airport as well as Mission Bay. And then over this way, we can see the downtown skyline, so it's a good versatile spot. I'm definitely gonna come back here. So we just found this spot. I think this is definitely, oh god dang. Forgive me, I'm easily distracted by GT3 Porsches, but this spot right here has a good view of the bay, and also we can see planes that fly right over. We're basically right in line with the airport, so that'd be a good spot as well. Well, that's gonna be a wrap for the night. I'm back at the house in the MX-5, and we found definitely a couple of good spots that you should be seeing out of this channel soon that we're gonna go get some photo shoots at. We just drove by on the way back. Liam's friend actually bought my old S13, the 240XX, so hit me right in the feel seeing that car again. Yeah, hopefully I get to do something with that soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, and more to come.